to Darwin Ling at Good AI Capital. Hi, Darwin.
Hey, Christian.
Good to see you again. Why don't you tell us a
Yeah,
little bit about your background and your focus? So, how'd you get here?
sure. Hi, everybody. My name is Darwin Ling. I'm the founder and general partner of Good AI Capital. Good AI Capital is a VC fund. We're based in Silicon Valley here. We invest in early stage AI companies. We have a little bit wider focus. We tend to focus on the idea called apply AI. So we want to invest in healthcare. We have a focus in enterprise technologies as well as automation. By automation, I mean anything that range from drones, robotics, and autonomous driving will fall under our interest here. So we have an interesting name. We call ourselves Good AI Capital. The good really stems from the fact that we're very interested in the idea called uh, doing good, doing well. So with that, we want to partner with founders who has a strong mission to really use technologies, in this case, to tackle some of the most challenging problems faced across different industries. I guess so our focus on healthcare, like I mentioned, is focus on the intersection between technology and biology. So we are not the traditional kind of like therapeutics, life sciences investor. We invest in an area called tech bio. By that meaning, really looking at how technology could drive into the biology. We kind of flip the equation from biotech to tech bio. And we're seeing a lot of interesting idea where we can serve as a platform technologies to drive the change while kind of creating a strong pipeline of revenues, deals, and all that. So that's our focus. Usually, in terms of investment, we tend to invest in the founders at the earlier stage, with the seed stage, even pre-seed, and we can go all the way with the founding team to to the IPO stage in terms of investment. So we participate in the Series A and Series B. Our check size range from 250K all the way to $4 million. So it's a wide range. But the key is that we have a strong affinity towards founders. I was a founder before, so this is sort of my pay it forward moment where I want to really help nurture the next generation of entrepreneurs so that actually can potentially drive them impactful changes towards the world.
So, Darwin, it's awesome you're here. I wanted your perspective because I know you invest in other areas, other verticals, other industries, but with AI as your foundational mandate. And we've talked in the past that it's creating crossover investors into healthcare because you're bringing the AI along. And also, it hasn't really been a struggle for you fundraising on that side. Anything AI seems to be fundable at this point. Is that fair to say?
Yeah,
Anything.
right now that's kind of like the AI moment because of the whole ChatGPT release and all that. So really, but that's also kind of has a caveat towards that. I think anybody will just kind of tack on AI at the end at the domain name or just in the company name, kind of just say, yeah, we have AI. But when you kind of peel off the kind of like open up the hood here, it's like everything is just like they're not really kind of leveraging the power of AI. And by that meaning, when we tend to look at companies, we really want to focus on companies that actually have a special mode in terms of how they actually garner the data or get the data, whether it's a medical imaging or drug development or genomic sequencing, how you get that data. If it is kind of like an open source model or like kind of just download from a, non-proprietary access, then kind of immediately where, your mode is kind of like non-existent because really the next guy can go in and do the same thing, right? Algorithm, AI in this days are becoming I think, commodity, if you will. The differentiating factors really lies in the data itself. So for companies that we invest in, I think this is some of the criteria, and that actually serves us really well in that case here.
Oh, you made an investment in BitBio. I think that's a great company.
Yes,
And thanks for all you're doing in our space, Darwin. If you can make yourself available to our members who might want to
we
learn more
will.
about it, it'd be great.